guys, welcome back to another video. This is Shrestha Singh and you are currently watching me on my YouTube channel Artistic Zone. So this is the 9th video of the NIFT situation test preparation series, and in today's video I'm gonna address few questions related to your situation test which you guys have posted on the Facebook group or in the comment section. And it's really great to see that you guys are preparing so well in such situation and consistently posting a model picture on the Facebook group to help each other. It is really making me so proud of you guys. And for those who haven't joined the Facebook group, or if you're watching this video for the first time, please make sure you join the Facebook group as soon as possible because you're gonna get a lot of ideas and reference pictures from that. And please watch this video till the end because in this video I'll be sharing a lot of pictures and ideas which you guys have sent to me so that you don't have to waste your time searching on each topic, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the questions first. So the first question is asked by Ayushi Das, which is, what does a modern display unit means? See, at first you must understand what is the difference between modern display unit and window display unit, because they both are very different from each other and a lot of students gets confused in such questions. Basically, a modern display unit is kind of a creative shelf which can be used to keep your books and stuffs like that. So these few are some examples of modern display unit. And a window display unit is designed to attract customers to a store. So these two are the real examples of window display unit, and these two are the paper models. You can make something like this in your exam. So the next question is asked by Abhijit, which is which materials are we allowed to carry there in the exam? See guys, you should carry all your tools and materials like cutting mat, double-sided tape, paper cutters, pencil, glue, eraser, scale, compass, a pen to write your write-up, scissors, and to be at safe side, एक Fevibond भी रख लेना. And don't forget to carry a little piece of fabric जिससे आप अपने मॉडल को साफ कर सकते हो अगर थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर ग्लू लग जाए तो. Paper clips, and last but not the least, a bottle of water for keeping you hydrated. And please carry all your tools in one pouch including your admit card जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है आपका एग्जाम में लेकर जाना. So the third question is, please tell how to manage time and some expected questions for this year. See, time management plays a very important role in your situation test because you'll have only 2 hours to make your model and all that. So the ideal time management for your situation test would be spend your initial 5 to 10 minutes to read the question and understand and observe what kind of material they have provided you, and then try to decide what exactly you're going to make in those 10 minutes only, because it takes at least 1.5 hours to complete a model and you'll need at least 15 minutes to write the write-up and clean your workspace, right? So 5 to 10 minutes to read and observe the question, and 1.5 hours to complete the model, and last 15 minutes to write up and your cleanup. That's it. So the next question is from Zoki. I just can't start with something. I don't know how to make model. I can't do it. Help me to just get through this phase. I have good ideas though, but can't implement them. Hey Zoki, it's really okay. Don't worry. I had already uploaded a situation test preparation series on my channel. So please go through that from the day 1, because in that video you'll be able to learn how to make basic shapes and all that, which will definitely help you in making 3D models further out of your concepts. So now have a look on these beautiful models which you guys have shared with me. So this model is created by Aarti, which is looking amazing. As you can see, the color palette is also looking quite balanced, and the second one is a memento on Save Environment, which is also looking great. So this model is done by Nandini. This is a very beautiful room space. I think the question might be, create a room for a model or a girl. This is again from Nandini. This is a window display unit for a designer store. This is also looking very nice. So this is an interior space for a kitchen created by Aarti. This model is also looking very beautiful and balanced, and the next one is a model on coronavirus, which is also looking perfect. And this is a very nice and creative hat made by Kailash, and the next one is an award for the best Hindi Kavi. This is a perfect model made by Anamika Agarwal. And these are the models made by Smriti. This is an award for an artist, and this is a very pretty sandal made by Juhi. And these two models are based on COVID-19, which is beautifully done by Abhijit and Sakshi. These are the model of high heels, which is made by Sapna Nishedan. The left one is a memento for those people who is contributing their day and night to save us from the virus, and the second one is a very pretty doll made by Smriti from newspaper. And these are some awards for doctors created by Mahendra. These are the models on world peace created by Mahendra and Juhi. This is a window display unit for a Khadi showroom, which is created by Vaishnavi, and the color palette is also looking very nice. These are the clay molding toys made by Keshva, which is very cute. And these two models are also based on COVID-19, and also uploaded a video tutorials for these models on my channel. This is a window display unit for a cosmetics and perfume shop, which is created by Saloni, and the next one is a window display unit for a musical instrument shop. This is a room for student designed by Ragna Sufi, and the next one is made by Keshwa, which is a room for an artist. And this is a very nice vanity box, which is created by Saloni, and the second one is a window display unit for a sweet shop made by Smriti. These two models are also based on coronavirus. And these two are very cute little clay toys created by Keshva again. And this is a model based on polio eradication, which is created by Shraddha. And the left one is a side sling bag, and the right one is inspired by lobster. This is a newspaper carry bag for kids created by Shraddha. This is a model based on coronavirus created by Ayushi. And these cute little models are crafted by Keshva. This is a window display unit and a model on Save Water created by Saloni. And this is a very pretty crown created by Juhi, and this beautiful hat is done by Minto. This is a memento on Corona created by Kailash, and this scene of Ramayana is created by Saloni. This is an award for best teacher, and this is a wind chime created by Shraddha. This is a mascot on Dowry created by Saloni, and this is a very cute memento on Corona awareness created by Kailash. These are some sandals created by Ashutosh and Ragna. This is a very nice handbag created by Nishadan, and this little flower is created by Smriti. This is a very beautiful model on world peace again created by Smriti, and this is a workplace for designer created by Saloni. This is a very beautiful kitchen space designed by Shraddha. And this is a table organizer for a doctor's table, and this one is an award for doctors treating corona patients. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you'll never miss my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.